YouTube's Rewind replacement is a live stream event called Escape 2021. BTS, Doja Cat, and YouTube stars are taking part in the interactive 24-hour event. That's an interesting development.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like a marathon live stream type of thing.
Yeah, kind of. It happens on December 16th.
Okay.
24-hour live stream. And it's going to... The person who's going to be in it, or the character, is going to be the study girl from Lo-Fi.
That's cool.
Yeah, she's going to be like on this journey, and you're going to follow her through this
now, are people going to be
event.
Nice about it, or are they going to be angry because YouTube made it?
I want to be optimistic and say that they would like the effort put into it.
Really?
It's not a rewind.
You're
anymore.
saying general public sentiment is positive on Escape 2021. That's your prediction?
I hope so. Yes.
Wow. Can you play a little bit of this teaser?
No,
it's not a teaser. Okay.
Yeah.
Live in 4 days. This is literally just a thumbnail. There will be 3 chapters within the stream to give viewers around the world a chance to take part. They start at midnight, noon, and 7 p.m. In addition to English, it'll stream in German, French, Spanish, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, and Portuguese. YouTube has roped in superstar artists such as BTS. Roped in? You mean cut checks?
Mm-hmm.
They didn't rope nothing. They sent a wire transfer.
Sure.
The only rope they got is the wire. They wired them in.
Yes.
BTS. No, I mean, I'm joking, but I'm not joking. But also for BTS and Doja Cat, I assume this is going to have a lot of eyeballs. So there's other benefits there. Expect many popular YouTubers to appear as well, including Mark Rober, Christine Games, Muselk, and Jelly's Marble Runs. Lo-Fi Girl is the protagonist of Escape 2021, and she'll be featured at the start of the stream and in between the 3 chapters. Nice.
Yeah, so maybe it could be like this animated kind of thing. I'm thinking.
I'm curious. I mean, I'm curious to check it out. I'm optimistic, and
sure.
I hope other people are somewhat optimistic. I mean, I don't know. I think it's too much of a meme right now to hate everything that YouTube does. So
yeah, I get it.
It's going to be tough to overcome.
Yeah.
Good luck. Good luck to all the people that's something people forget. Humans work on the thing. You might be mad at YouTube, but it's like 50, 100 different humans that are like trying to put together something nice, and they're getting just wrecked.
Getting killed.